guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Let me beat this Hunda Oyamba #1 called Iyore Hunda from the street of Dublin. Let me beat her. Just testing the microphone in Dublin. First, I don't want to do saga. Not be that Oyamba what they try to save. What they try to save. Coins up my person. Let me lock my door. Because I'm not just disturb the Dublin house now. Let me lock my door. I go to beat this woman called Iyore. I go to beat you, Sha. I go to beat you like it's not tomorrow. I should call your papa say they drink cheap, you know. They drink cheap, whatever. You now be locality. In the terms of locality, because that word in our dictionary, Oxford, Weber, is not existing. But now your local palace, we can't take and say, make we just fee, say we get one idiotic sister. We want to be. We want to try to be. Whereby you know if you be. You know if you be. Never will you be. You work on contempt of the. You don't even fear. You not fear. Damn, what they try to save. You no fear, you no fear. You want to bring out that thing inside me. Inside that time, you say, I dey tally, I dey walk like it's not tomorrow. I know they do fine boy. I not care for fine boy for street of Italy. I go make my bar. That was all I was concerned about. Not to call they do fine boy, make you the smooth talk, they put lipstick on match every morning. Want to do fine boy, make that thing one of the freak for. It's not my business. I don't give a fuck about it. You go free talk while they talk. When I was in Italy, I controlled millions upon millions. I was working. Most time they come for work. I do video. I tell your boy. If they do video today, we start work. That time when they do video every day, they work. But today I still go say, he not do video again because he does what he passes. Your boy at Titi, not fit do video. If he come for house, he don't break down. But me, I'll come for work and do video. Midnight, 2 a.m., 1 a.m. in the morning. I was there. Then you go say, man, pass man. But now for time for me to enjoy now. Those days, I was just walking. Don't tell you the one make I do central, make I got the fight for you. Like you, who Sheto key you finish. Sheto finish you. You're almost Hunda. Sheto finish you. Sheto finish you. I still Sheto, you still date it tomorrow. Share this to Iyore. I never start with Tamu. I'm just starting again. All over and over, I go finish at this time around. She don't fear. I was scrolling through the pages of Facebook. I can't see she did broadcast. I just say, hey, look at it. I say, look at this talk, say, you still there here? Look at just comment. You can't get the infantry. Come on, insult her papa, mama. When you not even get papa, mama. You not get papa, you not get mama for Benin. You not get. You are a recluse. You be outcast for Edo State. You remain an outcast. I said so shall it be. I was the one even propelling. Let forgiveness come to you. I mean the talker say, make forgiveness come to you. I was saying it. Say, let forgiveness come to you because you've done well. But out of that, your words are not too clear. I still look, say, make I not just throw the baby with the bat, the water and the baby out. And I say, let's still think. But today, what did you tell me? With everything I put to place for you to get forgiveness. You came on here to insult your papa, insult your mama, we don't die. Because the crisis, they put you in a position. When you go, when they do bagger you. They do bagger you, finish you. Destroy your life. Because they cry. I saw that pain in you. The pain, I saw it in you. I said, oh, this is our sister in pain. Let's help our sister in pain. You now have the effrontery to come ask your papa, say, your papa, they drink cheap vino. Now your husband, Eric, where keep you for house. What they siphon you to destroy those with Iyore name. That Eric. They drink cheap vino. I can buy you plus Eric put together. That Igbo man. Where they give you momentum, they ginger you. You can talk to anybody. Talk to them. They can. You plus Eric, I will get her hot from Andropoma. For this table, I go beat you. Even though I say I want to do politics, I go still beat you. I will get her to beat you. I'm not in Italy. Iyore, let it be noted to you. I'm not in Italy anymore. I did for Dublin. I never see you say you travel. Come on for France. If you go Nigeria, you go they hide for corner. Benin Republic, beach side they go. We never see you at Benin. We never see you at Benin. So shut up your mouth for all I care. Shut up your dirty mouth for all I care. You never at Benin one day. We never see you do video for Benin. You go for those dirty corner. You better than Togo, you do Ghana, you do the video. Make them say you do Africa. Go they do beach. They find people picking with no ball. Iyore for notice, I get picking. My son is 3 years old. I have a son, you not get at all. So me and you know they for the same category. We gotta clear that one first for you. You be idiot. I go to beat you. I go to beat you. I use the start. I go to beat you. I go beat you with politics. I go to beat you. If my topic Iyore, Omoze, Oyomba, number one. Oyomba, number one. You are the next one, your back. I go beat you to eternity. They will betide you for all I care. They mad. Why we never see Iyore for UK? Why we've never seen Iyore in Dublin? A froster. A cheap froster with your dirty people you carry along. You say me, then you say, if a guy can just talk to you on a good day, say you talk to her. But all this whole thing was on social media. It was on social media. That was the reason. And then you first called me. It was you that called me. When I went for Messenger, by mistake, I sent friend request to somebody I was sent friend request to. Immediately you call me back. Hey, Pa, why did you reject my friend request? Now you call me. Now you first call me. You're a hunda. Dirty liar. Dirty liar. I dey for street too. Because this matter, I know if you talk for his house. I want to beat you small. For outside. With every power I get. Because the way if you talk now, because your stupid matter, nobody will free talk for his house. Because there are issues to be discussed. When I talk politics, I can talk on politics inside. But for your matter, I got to trust outside because you there for darkness, you not show your face. I just scroll through my Facebook. I just say Iyore there. I just say, okay, may I comment? Because I know what I don't do. And they beg for you. They say make everybody suspect on you. But you have the effort to come and insult me, say you want to lie. This is the reason why I say no truth among all of you now anymore. No get truth. You want to claim sympathy upon the Benin people, they insult you. Say I be Benin, I not be Benin. This is what you are going to. You are going to claim Benin, when I Benin they insult you. And Benin they call you Yomba. Plus. These are the Benis. Name it. Go to Mama Mila Hakim. Hunda Mila Hakim. Before they call them, when I say don't change. Hunda Mila Hakim. Go see how they insult you. Go to my page, see how they redeem you. They try to protect you, to revive you. to revive your stupid name. They can't call your papa, say your papa the drink cheap, you know. Do you know I can buy you plus that's your husband Eric, that Igbo man. I can buy put together. Are you crazy for crying it aloud, Iyore? Won't die, Iyore. Are you stupid? Are you crazy? You're a fair face. You think I'll be your regular Edo social media presenter? Those when they pretend, they bleach their face. I'm who I am. If I say I come from work, I was working in Italy. I don't feel called they pretend. But today, come check me out. Whether you go see me say, you go see me, whatever. Now you sabi, now you saka, now you know. I was doing what I got to do at a particular point in time. Not for you. I owe no explanation to nobody. But what you talk, say, now you want give me wife. You plus all those your women where they give to. Many of them still come to me. Make I give the husband. The husband will give them. All of them wrong. Say, all your product now. Saka, their toto, scatter. They wrong, leave there. They wrong, leave there. I go to beat you with truth and facts. When they talk, say your papa take you go Ekpoma. I never went to Ekpoma for point of correction. I went to Delta State University, Abaka. And there I go. I not go Ekpoma. So now you be locality, now you stupid pass, now you the ignorant pass. In our education, in our standard, you are very stupid. I go to beat you. I say the best to blame. Randomly come. Huh? You don't tempt me. I go beat you till eternity. And so I go to beat you. There will be no redemption for you. You will remain human number one. You remain. I know we will call you Barry. Now you know what they got to discipline. I never think say you. Whenever you wait for the call Barry, I will call somebody. Yeah, Iyore. You finally show. You don't finally show who you really be. You don't show who you really be. Go and watch your broadcast. I was just commenting there, say, now you can't talk. You're a sharp pass. Then you go beat everybody pass. We go, no. How you look at rich? You wake up, they cry. As I said, this by you at the age of 13 years. Wake up, pay madam 2,000 million euro. We go, no, who gets sense fast? So this said, do cyberspace now. Me plus you. Never start to. This not testing the microphone. Testing the microphone for Iyore. For you, I'll come to Saga again. I will be dodging between Saga and do my politics. Doing my politics, I'll beat Iyore. Doing my politics, I'll beat Iyore. Iyore, come and compete with me in intellectual prowess. Come and compete with me. It's not be foolish people, they follow you. Who are you? Who are you? Where they for born you? Which story you want to tell? Story. To that kid.com stories, lie stories. That's so tiger take up a person pussy. That's so tiger come up a person mouth. Dirty stories. To tell those stories to the marine. Tell those dirty stories to the marine. Not to people that are intellectual prowess. Who are you? Your package don't burn. Your package don't burn. Don't be saying sabi do saga. Saga that for stupid people. But the way to insult me today, I say I will give them back to you. Water, because I'm a quick responder. I cannot stay and see you insult a person like that. What I tell you? Tell me the thing I tell you. Would you talk? With the talk of phone? With the talk of phone? We talk, see the lie they lie from my head. See the view, see them. Then you say, oh, I say, okay. Now what in me, I don't talk for social media already. Now what I talk for social media already, now I tell you. So there's nothing you can say that is already, there's nothing in the social media before now. Now you can't talk, say, I tell you one thing. Tell me the spectacularity what I tell you. You're a unda liar. Almost say, unda. Who you're number one. Tell me that story I told you. See your papa they drink cheap, you know. Your papa they drink cheap whatever. Cheap. I can buy you. I can buy that your husband, Eric. What are you not born for? What they want to make you inherit all your property. I saw yesterday trying to insult a woman, say, he tell you the truth. You walk out to say they advise the woman. You not talk bad. Now the truth that woman tell you, you never born. Go born. You go and born. Me, I get one already. You go and born. You go and born. Because before you go deceive all our those gullible people, go and give the money to Igbo man. Igbo man go use the money, take cruise, take flex. Big time. You go flex the money as you did daft based on what you talk today. Now can say you be real, confirm Mugu, confirm Maga. Just come, they pretend. Your face smooth. Maybe it's good, but we are getting awakened from those nonsense they propagate. I thought you were innocent. You should be pussycat, innocent, but you are evil deep down in you. You are big, you be big evil. Epitome of evil. I go beat you. I go to beat you. I just do it now because I just nearly come Dublin, so I'm not feeling the shot size. I'm saying, I just give you small because the one the verse for you for the talk for house, the house too small. Those people don't come for work now. They'll say, I'm off from the stop. That's why I want to beat you the street of Dublin. Iyore, this part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 10, part 100 they come. I will to beat you. Down. Share this to Iyore. A shower cover. When they cry, I say, yeah, you deserve it. They go whine you over and over. They say slavery today under that Igbo man. They say slavery day under him. That's where you are. You are people try slavery. Want to use your small tongue to hungry the gullible those in America. I wonder who calls you from America. I wonder who calls you from Canada. It baffles me. Who they call this idiotic stark illiterate? Which you go first ask for yourself for redemption before they prophesy on anybody's name. Don't prophesy on my name. I'm bigger than you. They mad. Can you come out? Your Iboma died. Leave her so. You kill Iboma. Iboma buy. You get 2 husbands. I never go there. You were dealing with Iboma. You get Igbo man. Now you kill that to Igbo. We never go there. Your matter too long. Your matter too long. I was thinking let's let peace reign, let forgiveness reign. You can't tempt me because your mouth sweet pass. Maybe you call those your gullible idiots. You want to call insult and the is out for you. There's no holds back. I will come out for you tomorrow. I will come out for you next tomorrow. I will come out for you every day. If you like now, Simon, I will give you a point. Me and you go no be drunkard. You're a big go smoker. You're going to fuck inside your stupid dirty bar for Paris there. Where you call yourself Keshi Lolo. Keshi Lolo, where they fuck you up and down, where they piss your body, so you both finish. They piss for your body, you're sorry for my palm. You are crazy. Very stupid. Keshi Lolo. Keshi whatever. I know you for a time. The day where by mistake I sent friend request, I got caught. I said, no, I'm not saying I'm not saying you again. Then you call me back, say, hey, why I refuse? Why I cut you off? That was when I could say, oh, your way be not too pure, but because of the discipline man where I be, let me see. Now so much you can begin to talk. You walk out smooth talker, go tell people, say, now me call you, will make a good punish you. The Ogun side don't swear for you with all the koto. Don't use as a swear for you. You be Oyamba. You are very stupid. You don't know who you talk to. Who be your mate? The place you will die for Paris. Finish your Paris. What you know? Jacka Rouge, whatever Rouge. Ashawo, the Senegal. Kobe, Bolingo you. Put life for your pussy. You pay madam 200,000 euros. That's what you can say. Unless you call the brainwash our people. Don't they brainwash our people? Because they're so gullible, so stupid. They will be there listening to you. You are very crazy. Chatarouche, Senegal. If they pity, say make I see pity, this one don't die finish. People let them become somebody. You know what did I take my time to do for you? So make I redeem your stupid name. You have the effort to insult my person. Iyore, almost this, I call you out. If you like not talk, I beat you, I go to beat you. Call your warriors. If you get warriors, call them out. Call them out. Call your warriors. The best of the best, call them out. When they come talk to me with truth and figures and facts, I will beat you with facts. No demon can save you. Nobody can save you from my hand. If I choose to ignore you, if I choose to ignore person, I'll be say, I don't get what to tell somebody. I just choose to ignore. I talk 1, 2. But for your case, I know you talk 1, 2, 3, stop. I go talk until eternity. For your case, for you to insult me like this. Me, we don't help you already. You can't get the effort, you can't insult your papa, insult your mama, we don't die. Huh? You know, with Facebook rules and regulation. What did you say? Say I'm not girlfriends. Who cares for those dirty friends? What I get for social media? I've been one man squad doing my things, getting my things on my own. That kind of show, because they do fine boy every day. And then they go bleach. And then when they walk, I got the car face. When I come for work, I just sit down with my friends. We just talk small. Something come up, I just talk put. Cannot go prepare, do makeup. They can address Iyore with the fine boy. Where they go, where the strip for fine boy. Fine boy will kill you. Now fine boy will die put. That's why you know if it's time for truth. Because as they see you know it's time for truth. If you look at where, you they support Frank Victor. They give Frank Victor money, where. I remember that case, that 100,000 where you give Frank Victor for this woman for Paris. Then I know. Me and they fear you plus Frank Victor put together. You, Frank Victor, the Murphy put together. None of you and the one for the fear. All of you under me. Under me. Let me talk. I beat my chest tall. They under me. I know they fear none of you. You are all reckless. Idiotic people. Now they mad. Nothing they mad. Wonder if you talk truth. You are going to hide now. You are going to hide under the shadow say you be mini. I mean they found our trouble. Whoever now they found ourselves trouble. Now they eat on ourselves. Now be enemy to ourselves. You are going to wrap our heart say I be a man. Make us a kill of now. Who calls us? Snake. No Buna. Who calls us? Sorry, do. It will never work. No Buna. Which proverb is get against una? Wicked, idiotic people. When they mad, who they fear una? Who they fear una? When they crazy, who they fear una? When they mad. Who is at the palace? Not be monkey face, not be Beanie. Who is at the palace? Not be you. Who you buy Iyore? Unda. Just taking the walk. What I beat you small with this waka. Stupid people. Want to claim victim. You want to claim victimize. You ever know they be the self where they eat themselves. You want to see something? I go to beat you. You go see that madness. You go see the madness of the whatever you call me. You go see that madness. Well, they beat you with that Eric where they finish you. Lies. You come out of this place, say you want to go do whatever, you want to go born. We'll not see Pekin. Tomorrow we'll never see Pekin. We won't die like Iyore. For now they come out, you do darkness video. Because you don't see your name that lies. I go burn your package. When I burn your package for 20 days, you are gone already. How can I lie? If I see what he did for social media, you don't call me. I say, oh, this is my comment. I can say, let me interact with somebody. See, you see the life on my head. Then you can talk and hey, see. So what in there? A guy will say, oh, can you transfer a caro? Normally, a normal guy will say, can you transfer a caro? You can say, I mean now. Do you think I mean it? Which caro you get? All those Bakaya caro toto we don't Bakaya, we don't white finish. Those toto we don't finish. We don't finish. Now you say, oh, I drove from hey, you're here. God have mercy on you. Now maybe commander chief of Caro Mata. Caro Yellow CC. Now maybe commander chief of Caro. You're a maga. Now you be the epitome of locality. Your words, make I use your words to beat you. If there's one word, locality, functioning, which I know you need a function, but for your words, now you be epitome of locality. You too local, you too mumu, you too stupid. Now because of this disposition of people will not get sense, now people like you can't get relevance. You need to create content. You are just stupid. You run out of ideas. You don't even have any ideas. Don't talk to say you run out of ideas. You cannot understand how I speak. You don't have ideas. So shut up your mouth how they talk. Done. Shut up your speaking dirty, gutter, stupid, uneducated mouth. Your mouth is so uneducated. Before me. Any day, any time. Useless Benin woman. Not call your dumb woman, very useless Benin woman. The Benin don't even cast you. They don't cast you out. You be outcast. Go join your fellow Eric, your husband. I think that man at Osu for Ebola. In the Ebola they have Osu. It should be an outcast as well, like you. You be outcast of Benin. In as much if you insult me, I don't see anybody redeeming you anymore. I say my Facebook now. Do you think I live on Facebook? The world betide you. You said I will go to build house for Korodu. Don't be Korodu, you go build house. You get money. Iyore, you get money. As you scam rich, do you have money? Why did you buy house in Lekki? Now you're Korodu, you go buy house. The world betide you. When they talk, say your papa, mama, they for Italy. You know, do nothing. Hey, God, if only you know, if only you can know what I've done. If only you can know. But I'm not here to display that for you. You are very stupid, very useless, very idiotic, very so low in your thinking. Now, people of your low level, if they listen to you. I was just scrolling through your page. I can't say, you know when you talk. I see the page which they go through. And I say, may I comment to give her momentum? Because they say, this is a pa, this is a pa, this is a pa. If only, ask your stupid, dirty followers. When they call me, say, make I help you out. Won't die, Iyore. In your pains. I go beat you, join. Why you not there? I go still beat you tomorrow, beat you next tomorrow, beat you whatever. I'm not a fat woman. You know, I have had problem with Mama Joy. I'll just talk to them small. I leave them. But for your kids, I will leave you. Me and you go tie apart together. I will beat you every day with accurate fact. Me and you go soon be drunk. Go soon they who they factual about this with the apple for the world. That's what I'm going to do to you. Very stupid. If I say something, just say make I forgive you. When your wound die, your picking, I have to see the life on my head. Were you not there? Were you not there where your picking had to see the life on my head? Who say supposed to fuck you for bath of Paris? Were you not there? You were there. What did you say about it? Stupid wound die. You say I forgive about it. Plus the lies, everything. One talk say be true man. It's a confirmed liar. I see your wife for street today. They for Paris, they go Chatarouche, they go Kinarouche, they go they find Papa Drew, where they carry for pickup, they do video, they talk to those. You're a confirmed negative person as far as I'm concerned. You failed You fail. You say, you plus Atiti put together, all of them be liars. You be remember. The way I tell hit you now because of Atiti. See, they always they go inside underground, they collect money for your hand. Truth, you don't want to hear truth. Then you say they talk truth. Now, so that they carry you when you be 13 years. Now, so that they use you. But the truth. Now, they cover truth. One can talk on that truth from that angle. How you go to sustain? Can never sustain like that. And they talk with all my mass wide. Atiti is your slave. Whatever Atiti they do today, now you use money to close the mouth. And you today influence Frank Victor with the evil way Frank Victor they commit today. And then if you Frank Victor, make it call light the next year. Frank Victor get her on his own body. Water. Frank Victor not worthy to talk. Where men they talk. Where men they talk, Frank Victor not fit talk. You don't fit talk where reasonable people they talk. I want you to tell now, when Atiti na Budunga, you, Frank Victor, Atiti, make a wrap all of them put together in one basket. And don't want to fear any of them. I will give them to them. Words for words, will be liars. I don't fear liars. Hit me with truth. If you feel talk, say, you feel talk, say, what if you talk now truth? It then means you are a liar. Everything you talk about this space, now lies upon lies. I can never believe you anymore. Not you the talk will get iota of truth anymore. I'm too bitter about you. If I catch you, I go chop you. I go eat you like the tiger and the lion that I am. Make I leave you for now. You are too stupid before me.